Yeah, today's thought for the day is the key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. କିଏ ଏଟା ବୁଝେଇ ପାରିବ ମତେ? Anybody will volunteer me? The key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles.
Ma'am, our focus will on our destination, not on the obstacles like the problems that we are facing in our daily lives.
Very good. Okay. Anything, any obstacles which is coming, like you're not getting sufficient time, or you are having so many problems, or you are going through a very difficult time, you don't need to focus on that. But what is your goal? Set your goal. ମତେ ଏତିକି percentage board ରେ ରଖିବାର ଅଛି, and I have to focus on that. ତା ମୋର ଆଉ ମୋ ଗୋଲ ମଝିରେ ଯେତେ ସବୁ obstacles ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି, ଯୋଉ obstacles may be social media, may be your friends, okay, may be negative thoughts, ସେମାନେ ବି obstacles ରେ ଯିବେ. That should not, you should not bother about those obstacles. That ସେମାନେ ଯଦି ଆସିଲେ, they will ତମକୁ goal ରେ focus କରିବାକୁ ଦେବେନି. Okay, your goal, you should focus on your goal. Fine. You yourself can help you. Nobody else is going to, not I am not going to write papers for you, nor your parents, not nor your friends. So ସେଇ ଟାଇମ୍ ରେ ତମେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ ଦେଲା ଟାଇମ୍ ରେ, ଅବି ଯଦି ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଭାବୁଛୁ ତ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ ଦେଲା ଟାଇମ୍ ରେ କିଏ ତମ ସହିତ ଥିବ? You and only you. So you have to make that a practice, that I have to focus on my goal. No obstacles, on no negative thoughts, nothing can come between me and my goal. Fine. I hope you all like this. Okay, fine. So, as we were studying in the last class, modern periodic table start करथिलु. तार periodic properties, बहुत सारे periodic properties अच्छी, but तमरो course रे atomic size, valency, metallic and non metallic properties अच्छी. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, what is periodic property? Okay, periodic ର ନା ମାନେ କଣ? Periodic ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟା regularly ମାନେ ଆସିବ, gradual, ଯୋଉଟା regular, କିଛି interval ରେ ସେଟା repeat ହବ. The properties which are directly or indirectly related to electronic configuration and show gradual change when we move from left to right in a period or top to bottom in a group are called periodic properties. Which three properties we will focus mainly, and after that we'll finish this chapter. Three properties is atomic size, valency, metallic and non-metallic properties. Atomic size ଟିକେ ଆମେ last class discuss କରିଥିଲୁ, isn't it? Who can
Yes, ma'am.
define me? Who can define me what is atomic size? Atomic size माने कौन? Anyone? The new students? Any new student? Okay, let me. Sapnajit,
Ma'am, it
who is speaking? Name, please. Yes. क्यों चुप निकला कोई की?
ma'am,
Sapnajit.
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am, Surya.
Okay, okay, Surya, go on.
Ma'am, it refers to the radius of an atom.
Very good. Anyone else? Sapnajit or Rohan or
Ma'am, I can say.
yeah.
Ma'am, atomic size is the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost shell of isolated atom.
Very good, Rohan. Are you there in the next class? Were you there? Last class?
Yes, ma'am, I was there, ma'am.
Okay, fine. New student for the first time, Ansh Shahu, Fatma, Swati Kumari. Are there new students joining for the first time?
Ma'am, Ansh is a new student.
Okay,
Is visiting, and Swati Kumari.
okay, and okay,
Fatma
fine.
she's visiting our classes.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So what Rohan said, it was totally correct. It refers to the distance between the center of nucleus of the atom to its outermost shell of the electrons. So जदि मु ताकू गोटे पीरियड रे देखुची, what is जदि पिक्चर रे हमें देखु atomic size of the atom or volume of the atom कौन होची across a period? तमें देखि पार्थुबो
Ma'am, it decreases.
it is
Decreasing. The size
Decreasing.
is decreasing.
it is decreasing, and down a group
It
what is happening?
increases.
It is increasing. Now anyone, Sobhik or Subham or Shantanu or Ishana, Jasmine, Ankita, those old students of mine, can you say me why the size of an atom is increasing down the group? Only for a group.
Atomic mass is
Because of
increasing.
the
Ma'am, because the number of cells are different.
number of cells increasing and decreasing.
That is
Fine.
why.
Some
Subham?
orbits are increasing.
Okay, Sobhik. Subham, did you say atomic mass?
Yes, ma'am.
No, listen. Atomic mass ro funda tomara sari jaichi. Abika ame if we are talking in modern periodic table, atomic mass ame पढुछु कि ना atomic number ame पढुछु. कोटा atomic mass को replace
Atomic number.
atomic number. Fine. So what is happening actually when we are moving down a group, lithium, sodium, potassium, suppose mu abe koibi lithium re electronic configuration, lithium re atomic number kete?
Ma'am, 3.
3 mane suppose this is lithium, okay, 3 means gote shell, okay, and second
2 shells.
2 shells, okay. If I say sodium, it is of
Ma'am, ma'am, 3 cells.
Ma'am, 3 shells.
1 2 3, isn't it? If I say potassium,
Ma'am, 3.
potassium ର କେତେ
Ma'am,
atomic number?
4.
4 shells.
So
Ma'am, 4 cells.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ତଳକୁ ଯାଉଛି number of shell ଗୋଟେ add on ହେଇକି ଯାଉଛି. Is it
Yes, ma'am.
clear to everyone? So when number of shell
Yes,
add ହଉଛି ତ ତା size ଟା ବଢି ଯାଉଛି. Okay, that is only happening. Okay, atomic number ବଢୁଛି, atomic number of shells ବଢୁଛନ୍ତି, and atomic size is increasing. But what is happening across a period? Why the anyone will volunteer and say why the atomic size is decreasing? Atomic number तो बढ़ी जाऊची ना. बोरॉन रो atomic number केते?
Ma'am, 5.
एमिति बढ़ी जाऊची atomic number. Then why the size is decreasing?
Ma'am, because the intermolecular force
Ma'am,
of
because
atoms
the
is
nuclear
increasing
charge
as the
increases.
number of atoms are increasing.
Okay, शांतनु कोठी एते इको होची? रूम रे, हॉल रे, इको होची तम sound. Fine. So as Santanu said and Ishana, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what is happening actually? Lithium, beryllium, boron. Suppose this period, okay? Beryllium ro keteta mu कहतली 5टा. 5टा माने 82, 83, isn't it? Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Suppose carbon. Robbie dita shell. But how many electron in the outermost orbit? It is
4.
4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Same as nitrogen. Kete? Outermost cell re 5. Isn't it? What is happening actually? Number of valence electrons are increasing. जब number of valence electron increase होउची ता माने कोन होउची negative force बढ़ुची nucleus रो को charge nucleus ता को charge
Positive.
positive charge. Okay, तो nucleus में positive charge जेते negative charge increase हबो से माने सेते attract हेबे towards the center. that charge is known as nuclear charge. Nuclear charge increases तो सेने ताको आउरी बेसी टाणिबो निज आडकू जेबे टाणिबो निज आडकू तो साइज कोन हबो
compress ହେଇକି ଛୋଟ ହେଇଯିବ।
compress हबो बा कमिंग हबो सेथि पय
Decrease.
across the period the atomic size decreases. Everybody clear with the atomic size, how it is varying down a group and across a period, and why?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And new student Swati, Sapnajit, Ans,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Fatma, Surya Pratap Das,
Yes, ma'am.
clear? No doubt? Or do you want me to explain it again?
No, ma'am.
Swati, clear? Sapnajit, clear? Ans?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. We'll move forward. Huh? Okay. The atomic radius decreases in moving from left to right along a period. This is due to increase in nuclear charge, which tends to pull the electrons closer to the nucleus and reduces the size of the atom. Okay, the atomic size increases down the group. This is because new shells are being added as we go down the group. Is it clear what is happening to the atomic radius or atomic size when we are moving from left to right in a period? It decreases as nuclear charge increases and it pulls the electrons closer to the nucleus. But down a group, what is happening? When new shells are being added, shells एटी गोटे शेल रे नंबर ऑफ गोटे शेल रे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऐड होतला कोठी across a period, but एटी शेल्स ही बड़ी बड़ी जाउची तो से माने आहुरी बेसी दूर को जाउचंती न्यूक्लियस रो तो न्यूक्लियर चार्ज सेति की काम करबनी therefore atomic size increases. समझते क्लियर हेलो? We'll move forward to the next periodic property, which is valency. Now who can define me what is valency?
Ma'am, the combining capacity of one atom with other atom.
Fine, Ishana, very good. Anyone else?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am, the valence of an element is determined by the number of valence electron present in outermost shell.
Okay, you say number of valence electron is equal to the valency. Is it, Rohan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Listen, Rohan will only give me answer. Okay, I'll take example of two atom. Name of this atom?
Ma'am, sodium.
Name of this atom?
Ma'am, chlorine.
What is the atomic number of sodium?
Ma'am,
11.
Ma'am, 11.
Means electron configuration 2, 8,
1.
1. Isn't it? Chlorine, atomic
7.
number of chlorine?
17.
17. Electron configuration?
2, 8, 7.
2, 8,
2, 8.
7.
Isn't it? And what Rohan said, Rohan jaha कहले ता माने से कहले कि valency होची number of valence electrons. Valence electrons माने कोन मु last class कहतली number of electrons in the outermost shell. तो एठी ताले सोडियम रा valency as per Rohan हबो 81 ना कि रोहन आउ एठी एटा हबो 7. Is it? Am I
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
Rohan? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
As per Rohan, he said, what is valency? Valency is only number of valence electron, which is a very common mistake and mane samoste maximum pila mane mistake karanti. Listen carefully. Valency is the combining capacity or number of electrons shared or gained. Example देखो. जो मैंने इतने क्लियर नुह एग्जांपल देखो देखो एठी सोडियम रा आउटरमोस्ट शेल रे 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि. इज इट रोहन? क्लोरीन रो आउटरमोस्ट शेल रे 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अछंती
Yes, ma'am.
सोडियम को ऑक्टेट लेवल को पहुंचीबा पई ताकू वैलेंस शेल रे केतेटा इलेक्ट्रॉन दरकार
Ma'am, 7.
मोर 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स it can gain 7 electrons or it can lose 1 electron
Yes,
जदि
ma'am.
ए 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन को से कहा को देई दबो ताहाले से ऑक्टेट लेवल कंप्लीट कर दबो
Yes,
ना
ma'am.
नहले 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन काहाठू आनिबो तो 1 टा देबा सहज ना 7 टा आनिबा सहज
Ma'am, deba so.
देबा सहज तो एटी सोडियम 1 दबो सेम केस विथ क्लोरीन रो वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन केते
7.
7 तो ताकू ऑक्टेट लेवल को आसीबा पई ताकू
Only one electron.
गोटे
one
इलेक्ट्रॉन दरकार नहले 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन ताकू से बाहर करिया को पड़िबो तो कोटा इजी गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करबा ना 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन गोटे गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करबा सो हियर the combining capacity or the number of electron gain or lost एठी सोडियम केतेटा इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करिवो
1.
1 therefore its valency is 1
Yes, ma'am.
एठी क्लोरीन केतेटा इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करिवो
1.
valency of chlorine is 1 now is it clear to everyone
Yes, ma'am.
simple example day to day maximum time a example तमे देखुथबो everyone clear valency fine so valency may be defined as combining capacity of an element एठी मु जो example देली sodium आउ हमरो chlorine भाईनांकर just a minute क्लोरीन भाइना और सोडियम भाइना से माने गोटे कंपाउंड फॉर्म करंती मन अछि देश का नमक टाटा नमक
NaCl
से माने गोटे बॉन्ड फॉर्म करंती NaCl सेटा हम घरे घरे अछि देश का नमक टाटा नमक ए जो बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हुए ए जो कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी हुए कौन हुए ये गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन आकू दिए आ ये गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन ताठू निए सेति पई गोटे बॉन्ड फॉर्म हुए और से माने गोटे कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी से मान को कंबाइन ही कि गोटे कंपाउंड फॉर्म करंती तो ए जो कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी अबे सोडियम रो कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी माने सोडियम केतेटा इलेक्ट्रॉन देई परिबो बा नेई परिबो से गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन देई परिबो
मैम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डॉट स्ट्रक्चर
हां
मैम लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डॉट स्ट्रक्चर
हां एठी खाली गोटे एग्जांपल देखा पे मु कहली तो सोडियम गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन दबो से सब बेले गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन ही दबो मैक्सिमम टाइम so what is the combining capacity of sodium 1 ओके तम माने बुझिते तमे माने जानि थिबो मु कहितली इलेक्ट्रॉन्स माने होचंती मोर खराब आदत माय बैड हैबिट्स मु जदी देई देबी सोडियम जदी गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन देई देला मु खराब आदत अछि जदी मु से खराब आदत को छाडी देली आई विल बिकम मोर नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव
positive
पॉजिटिव तो सोडियम ता अबिका देई देला सोडियम आगु न्यूट्रल थिला से देई देला माने विल बिकम पॉजिटिव किंतु
positively charged
क्लोरीन रो नेगेटिव अछि क्लोरीन ऑलरेडी ता पाके एते इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अछंती ता पाके नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर बहुत अछि से आहुरी नेगेटिविटी नोची तो जब नेगेटिव नोची तो कोन होची निजे नेगेटिव
becomes negatively charged
या Cl माइनस हे जाउची फाइन सो वैलेंसी रे समस्ते क्लियर ना मु आउथरे बुझेबी it is the combining capacity of an element simple जोटा कि स्टार्टिंग रो जने कहितला combining capacity of an element now we will see what is actually happening when we are moving across a period valency कोन होची देखो ठीक से दीटा पीरियड रो एग्जांपल देछि ओके पीरियड 2 पीरियड 3 लिथियम बेरिलियम बोरॉन कार्बन ए सब होचंती से मानकर मेंबर्स ओके एमान को इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिथियम रो 3 माने 2 1 4 माने 2 2 5 माने 2 3 एमिति अबिका लिथियम विल गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन दबो
गोटे दे परिबो
देन वैलेंसी इज 1 एटी केटा दे परिबो
Dita.
valency is 2 एटी केटा दे परियो बोरन
Tinta.
तीनटा
3.
कार्बन चारटा दबो नले
4.
चारटा दबो
Covalent 1.
5 एटी कोन हबो तो केटा इलेक्ट्रॉन दरकार
Tinta.
Three.
therefore the valency is 3
3.
here ताकू
Two.
दीटा इलेक्ट्रॉन आउ दरकार
Two.
2 एटी आउ
Good.
गोटे दरकार 1 एटा किछ दरकार नै 0
Octet.
सेम केस ए देखो पीरियड 3 रे जदि कि तीनटा शेल अछि एठी 1 देई दबो 1 दीटा दबो 2 तीनटा दबो 3 सेथि पई दबो माने +3 आमे करू नब माने माइनस हैला मु तबे मन रखिबो बैलेंसटा प्लस की माइनस तमे जे बैलेंस जेबे तमे 9 क्लास की 8 क्लास रे करथुलो +3 प्लस -3
Yes,
मन
yes.
पड़छि
Yes.
हां जेबे तमे कंपाउंड रो ना लिखुतलो क्रिस क्रॉस मेथड रे सेतरको +3 -3 लिखुतलो बाय +3 बाय
Ma'am, because से गोटे दे दउची
से गोटे दे दोची माइनस माने से निज ऊपर नौची
बट नहीं जाउ.
है ना तो एटी बैलेंस हबो एक्चुअली +1 सोडियम रो तो 1 एठी हबो +2 एठी हबो +3 एठी +4 की -4 सिलिकॉन रो तापर एठी हबो -3 व्हाई it will phosphorus will gain
It will gain 3 electron.
yeah sulfur
+2.
Plus
close
2.
and
Plus 1.
कार्बन किछि नै काहे कि नोबल गैस इनर्ट गैस किछि दबनी कि दबनी के से ऑलरेडी तासे नै कि पूरा नोबल हे कि अछि ताको काहा को दरकार ही नै किछि खराब गुण दरकार नै कि भलो गुण दरकार नै तापे के सब गुण ठीक से ही अछि so it will not react and therefore the valency is 0 combining capacity is 0 सेति पय मन को inert gas कुहा जाय so what you are actually what we are seeing देखो valency कोन होची पीरियड रे आगो 1 2 3 4 को इंक्रीज होची
Then decrease.
4 पारे पुनी डिक्रीज होची अप टू 0 यदि क्वेश्चन आसीबो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू द वैलेंसी और व्हाट विल हैपन टू द वैलेंसी अक्रॉस अ पीरियड व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर विल द वैलेंसी देखो लिखा है द वैलेंसी इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम 1 to 4 then starts decreasing up to 0 क्लियर पीरियड रे क्लियर
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ग्रुप रे
ma'am.
कौन होची in a group the valency remains the same
Same.
why
Because only the cells increase.
yeah and number of valence electrons remains
Same.
Same.
same therefore the valency also remains same got it
Yes, ma'am.
this is the valency table it's so +1 emanakar +2 eman
Plus 3 plus 2.
okay I hope valency is also clear
Yes, ma'am.
okay okay Sagar
Yes, ma'am.
okay can you say me what happens to atomic size when we move across a period
Size increases
across the period the
left to right.
atomic size increases
Increases left to right and decreases top to bottom.
okay सोविक सागर जहाँ कहले ठीक कहले सोविक
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ was Sagar answer was correct
Ma'am,
What-
it was not audible properly. My network problem is there.
okay he said about atomic size what happens to atomic size across a period and he said it decreases across it increases across a period and it decreases down a group so we be confused what about Subham there Pratyush कि कौन किछि कहू नांती
May
May I?
what about Ankita Jasmine
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jasmine.
It decreases across the table, across the period, and increases down group.
Down group. Okay. Why?
Because when we go across the period, the number of electrons increases, so the nuclear charge increases.
Yeah.
Therefore, the size decreases. And when we go from top to bottom, the number of shells increases. Therefore, the size increases.
Sagar, did you get it?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. Class starting ରୁ ନଥିଲ କି?
Ma'am, ମୁଁ starting 10 minutes ଟା ନଥିଲି.
Okay, listen. Atomic size, listen. Here the atomic size down a group कौन होचे atomic size increase करची हैला, but across a period the atomic size decreases. Now why? ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ group ର ଉପରୁ ତଳକୁ ଯିବି, when we go down a group, what is the atomic number of lithium? It is
3.
3. How many shells habo ethi? 2 or 1, isn't it?
1.
Our electron configuration 2 1 habo. Our electron configuration habo 2, 8, 1. Our सेमती हबो 2, 8, 8, 1. तो मुझे भी देखुची what I am observing actually, number of shell increase होची ना कि जब number of shell increase हबो size ता बढ़ी बढ़ी जीवो. Here what is happening? Suppose in across a period 2 1, এটা होची 2 2, this one 2 3, this one 2 4. What is happening? Number of shell is not increasing, but number of electrons in valence shell is increasing. तो जब valence shell रे number of electrons increase हे जाउची, that means negative charge increase होची. तो negative charge जतरे increase होची, positive charge जतरे हमर nucleus रे अछि, that will attract. तो जते बेसी attract करिवो सेमानक size कमी कमी जीवो. Therefore across the period it decreases.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. Ki would empty sound kochi? Got it, everyone? Sapnajit,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you unmute yourself and say me what happens to the valency when we move across a period?
Ma'am,
What happens to the valency as we move across a period?
valency
Increases.
ma'am, valency increase.
Yes, Sapnajit will say.
Increases then decreases.
Sapnajit?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, बोला है.
Yeah?
मैं मैं बोल चुका हूँ.
You said about.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. About the valency.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what Shohan was saying?
Increases and then decreases.
Okay, can you explain me how? And Sohan, what happens down a group? What happens? Yes,
Increase. Same.
it remains same. Fine. Okay, so these two properties are clear: atomic size and valency. Everybody clear? We'll move forward to
ma'am.
metallic character and non-metallic character. Now, who can say me what is the I'm पढ़िथिलु metals non-metals? Metals को मान को metals को आजे.
And positively charged.
Electropositive.
I want a very simple answer. Metals are the elements that can dash electrons.
Lose electrons.
That can lose electrons.
Donor, electrodonor.
Electron donor.
Donor.
Very good, Sapnajit. They can lose electrons. अबिका मते कुह गोटे atom रो size बढ़िले, suppose when I move down a group size body body ଯାଉଛି
Yes, ma'am.
so ସେତିକି ବେଶୀ ସହଜରେ ଲୁଜ କରିବ ନା କଷ୍ଟରେ ଲୁଜ କରିବ?
It will lose easily.
Easily.
Just a minute. Yes, Rohan, your voice is audible to me. Do you want to say something? Rohan, is he there? Unmute yourself. Do you want to say something? Fine. So we were talking about metallic character. Metals are the elements that can lose electrons. So I was asking you, if the size increases, ଯଦି size increase ହେଇଯିବ, element ସେତେ ଜଲ୍ଦି lose କରିବ କାହିଁକି ସେ ସେତିକି attracted ନଥିବ or ସେତିକି attached ନଥିବ to the nucleus. Fine. କିନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି size କମି କମି ଯିବ, what will happen?
It will be more hard.
ସେଟା ହାସେ ନାହିଁ କି ସେତେ ବେଶୀ lose କରିପାରିବନି. It will be a little harder to lose electron. Now you say me, what happens to the metallic character when we move down a group? It will increase or it will decrease?
Increase.
Increase.
Fine, because atomic size increase, the atomic size increase above, the electrons are loosely packed and it is very easy to lose electrons. And what happens across a period?
Ma'am, it hard, but
The
means
metallic character
become.
decreases. The metallic character decreases. It will
Ma'am, but after 4 it will be easier, as it, at last it will be a noble gas.
it will easier to gain electron, not lose electron. Shantanu?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
they change their property.
Yeah, that is the non-metallic character. Now, what are non-metals?
Ma'am, who gain
Elements
electrons.
which gain electrons.
Yeah, element which gain electrons. So when we move across a period, the non-metallic character increases.
Increases.
एठी नॉन मेटल कोठी हेबे आमे सबले पीरियड रो राइट हैंड साइड रो नॉन मेटल्स पाउ काहेकि से माने ही इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करंती. फाइन.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So metallic and non-metallic character, metals are towards the left hand side of the table while non-metals are towards the right hand side of the table. Left hand side means they will lose electrons, right hand side means they will gain electrons.